Hello, my Leetcode friends. Today is January 7th, 25, and we're back to another daily Leetcode problem. First, we're going to warm up with the type racer, and then we're going to move on to the Leetcode problem. So let's go ahead and get started. Warming up our fingers. A little slower than the last couple days, but still not too bad. Let's go ahead and move on to the problem of the day. Another easy problem. So far, we've gotten a lot of easy problems last week. Okay, count prefix and suffix pairs. Okay, that's all good. Whew, scared me. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of this. There we go. Count prefix and suffix pairs 1. Oh, oh my goodness. I forgot to adjust my mic. I am so sorry. That type remaster must have been terrible. Okay. So another easy problem. Count prefix and suffix pairs 1. So annoying. Oh, forgive me. You're given a zero-indexed string array words. Let's define a Boolean function is prefix and suffix that takes two strings, string 1 and string 2. Is prefix and suffix, string 1, string 2, returns true if string 1 is both a prefix and a suffix of string 2, and false otherwise. For example, is prefix and suffix ABA ABABA is true because ABA is a prefix of that and is also a suffix. But is prefix and suffix ABCD is false. Okay, so count prefix suffix pairs. In this example, okay. Oh, I didn't read it all. Return an integer denoting the number of index pairs, ij, such that I is less than j, and is prefix and suffix, where it's I, where j is true. So we're defining the function. Let's make it a lambda. Um, Actually, we can use references because we're not going to modify them. Okay. So basically, we want to know if it's both a prefix and a suffix. So we got to start from the back and move our way left, and then from the front and move our way to the right, and they both need to be the same thing. So, the first thing we want to do, whoops, if str1 is length, greater than str2.length. And false. That'll never be true. Then all we want to do is, if it's less than or equal to, we want to go for int I equals 0. I is less than, what was it, str length? Right? And so we just need to make sure that the beginning is good and the end is good for str1. Yeah, so it's going to go to 0, 1. It's going to go to whatever it's prefix suffix. So see if I know how to write this. If str1 I does not equal str2 I, return false. If str1 str2 no. Okay, going from the end, and it's going to subtract as it's going, right? And on that end, false. Otherwise, if they are both true, by the end, we will return true. Right? And then realistically, all we need to do now is write our for loop. I don't really need, if I'm doing it this way and I'm tossing them in, I don't really need to do that. Int I equals 0, I is less than, what am I doing? Words dot size j equals I plus 1, j is less than words dot size, j plus plus. Then we're going to compare, seeing how I is always going to be less than j. We're just going to say, or we're just going to call this on every combination. I mean, the constraints are pretty small, right? And we're just going to say if is prefix and suffix str, I'm sorry, words I, words j, result, right? Yeah. Pretty sure this should be fine. I mean, I guess it's not the fastest solution, but pretty simple solution. We're just checking the beginning of the string from our first one here, and then we're checking our end of both strings. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was a pretty simple solution, I guess. All right, I guess that's the daily for today. Thank you very much for joining in. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Later.